Good morning students. Today we will see some figures. Basically, if you take this figure, if you observe here, see this one. So this is in L shape, right? So we can divide. So here they have given length of this side, and here this width they have given 2 meters. Okay. Now we can find out the area of this region. Okay. So here, if you observe here, we can divide this figure into two rectangles. See, observe here, either you can draw line here or you can draw like this. Okay, so I prefer this one. See here, so I will draw. Okay, see this one. So 10 meters length they have given, so I will draw one line here. See. So now observe here, this is one rectangle, this is another rectangle. Okay, rectangle 1 and this rectangle 2. Okay, so from one figure we formed two rectangles. Now we will find out individually each and every rectangle, area of each and every rectangle. After that we will add these two to find out the total area of that figure. Understood this one? Now see, so I have divided here with one line this rectangle. So we form two rectangles here. Observe this rectangle. Here the length is 10 meters. So now this length will become 10 meters. So why? Because opposite sides are equal. So this is 10 meters. If you observe here, this width is 1 meter. So this width also will become 1 meter only. Understood? Now, so we have divided here, right? So this will become another rectangle here. Observe this rectangle here. This width is 2 meters. Here this length is 2 meters. So opposite also length will become 8 meters only, and this will become 2 meters. Now we got all the measurements. Now see this one, area of rectangle 1. Area of rectangle 1. So we can take it as vertical rectangle and this is horizontal rectangle. Like that also you can mention. Okay, area of vertical rectangle, area of horizontal rectangle, like that. So I am denoting with name rectangle 1. Okay, rectangle 1 is equal to, what is the formula for area of rectangle? L into B. Okay, what is L here for rectangle 1? So length is equal to 10 meters and breadth how much? 1 meter. Breadth is equal to 1 meter. Now this here, observe this one, substitute these values, 10 meters into 1 meter. Now area of rectangle, so this is equal to 10 meters square. Therefore area of rectangle 1, okay, rectangle 1 is equal to 10 meters square. Okay. So now find out area of rectangle 2. Area of rectangle or rectangle 2 or horizontal rectangle. Either you can take. Okay. L into B. This is also formula. Here what is the length here? Length is equal to 8 meters and breadth. So breadth is equal to 2 meters. Substitute these values here. So area of rectangle 2 will become 8 meters into 2 meters. That means 16 meters square. Now, so we got this one, this area, and rectangle 1 area, rectangle 2 area. Now find out the total area. Therefore total area is equal to, okay, total area of given figure. Area of rectangle 1 plus area of rectangle 2. Now substitute these values. So 10 meters square plus 16 meters square. Now you got 26 meters square. This is your answer. Okay. This is your answer here. Understood? How to find out this area of the given portions? First, you have to divide the given figure into different rectangles. Okay. So, according to your own way. Okay. Understood? Either horizontally or vertically, you have to take each and every rectangle, and then you have to find out area. After that, you have to combine all the areas of the rectangles to find out the total area. Understood? Now see the next one. Now see, first we will find area of vertical rectangle. Okay, observe this vertical rectangle here. What is the length here? 16 meters. So what is the width? So they have given this width is 1.5 meters, right? So write down that one. Now find out the area. Area is equal to, so L into B, that is equal to, what is that one? 16 into 1.5 meters. How much? Now see this one, area of rectangle 1, that is A1 is equal to, so I am naming it as A1, A2, A3, A4. Okay. So A1 is equal to L into B, that is equal to, length is 16 and 1.5 is width. So multiply this one, you will get 24 meters square. And then A2 is equal to, okay. So this is also same, right? Why? Because opposite sides. So this is also 24 meters square. Now come to this area of A3. A3 is this one. So this is the region here. Understood? So now this width also 1.5 only, and coming to this length. So here they have given 12 meters. But here, so some region we lost here. So this is the total, right? So from this one we have to cut this area. We have to cut this length and this length. How much this one? 1.5. Here 1.5, here 1.5. How much? 1.5 plus 1.5 is equal to? So what is the total length here? So length they have given 12 meters, right? So from this you have to, so 12 minus 1.5 plus 1.5. You have to subtract this one. So this length and this length you have to subtract to get this line. Only we have to find this line, this region only. We have to find. So
12.5 minus 1.5
okay,
plus 1.5, you will get 9 meters. Okay, 9 meters into 1.5 meters. You will get here 13.5 meters. And this area of A3 is equal to A4. So you got A4 also 13.5. Now add all this. Now add all this area.
So your total area will become 75 meters square. Like that you have to find out areas of shaded regions. First you have to convert into different rectangles, vertical rectangles and horizontal rectangles. After that you have to find areas of each and every rectangle. After that you have to add all the areas of the rectangles to get the shaded region, area of shaded region. Understood? Okay. Thank you.